Hello everyone, welcome to How to Browse a YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you how you can make your video look very engaging and attractive, will attract the viewers for a couple of settings when you use speed ramping. Now in this video I'm going to show you how you can do it. Very simple video and straight to the point. So let's jump right into the video. So what you have to do right now, first let's just grab our video, import a video, and then drag it into the timeline. I recommend to use speed ramping but without sound background. Okay, you can use music, background music, but don't use the original sound. You can, but I think it will start to get really messy. So let me remove the sound. And now to add speed ramping, what you have to do is to right click on the video and then here select retime controls, right? And then you also right click and select your retime curve. We also need this. Let's drag this a little bit down and I'll make this bigger. And now to create this, what you have to do is first to select exactly where you want to add the speed ramping. So what I'm gonna do is look exactly where the guy will jump. Okay, and around here, and press on the keyboard M so I can add a marker so I know where I have to add the next thing that I'm going to show you. And now when he's in the water, I will just stop the speed or the slow motion. Okay, M. Okay, and now I'll place the cursor right over here and then expand this area and add a speed point. And then I'm gonna go here and add a speed point right over here as well. And now what I want to do is here make this part of this video fast, and then this part when he's rolling in the air, you know, is jumping, I don't know what it's called, and then this portion of this video will be like very slow, like slow motion, right? And then the third part, the third segment, this is fast as well. Okay, so how I'm gonna do that is to decrease this part. Okay, you can use this. We can use now this retime frame, but here we need to change from retime frame to retime speed because we want the speed to work with speed, right? So here what you can do is to retime speed here to increase. We want the speed to increase, right? And this portion we want the that portion to decrease, right? Because we want slow motion. And then this part we want to increase as well. So fast, this we increased with this percentage and this as well. And this will slow down with 50%. So let's see what we created here. Okay, and then it's slow, it's not very slow motion. So actually let's decrease the speed even more to 30%, and let's see now. Now is kind of, yeah, slow motion. Yes, now is way better. Now you can move this as well, but on this part. And it's fast here. Okay, so make sure you add from right click, add real-time curve controls and curves. So it's better to control from here with retime speed. Sorry, I think it's more I don't know, visual. I think when you do that, I like this way more. You can also control the speed from here, like without the retime curve. That's what I was talking about. So you can use this as well. As you can see, increase the speed here from here with the arrows. When it's showing like the arrows left and right, then you can increase, go with the mouse and increase. And from here you can can make it faster or slow. or like very, very slow. Okay, from here. You can also from here change the speed. From here you can enable retime curve, but that's why I like, because now you can make this curve smoother. Okay, it's more smooth right now. Let me zoom in. Okay, so you can select now another retime frame here and make it smooth as well, and select it, select smooth, and you can increase the smoothness. Okay, and make sure you uncheck here the retime frame because we want speed. Okay, perfect. And another thing, you can also add this points, this add speed point. You can add with Alt and left click. Okay, and I think that's much faster. Okay, so I hope you learned something. I hope you learned something, and thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials, for daily tutorials. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.